MagSafe to USB-C adapter, Answin USB-C to MagSafe 1 and 2 charging connector adapter compatible for new MacBook Pro 13, new iPad Pro 2018 and more. Environmental protection. Answin MagSafe to USB-C adapter is designed for environmental protection. Power supply devices inside contains a lot of harmful substances to the environment. Scrapping large quantities of discarded power will seriously pollute our living environment. With USB-C to MagSafe adapter, you no longer have to dispose your old chargers, as they can help you charge your devices. Compatibility. With the smart chips, Answin USB-C to MagSafe adapter works with almost all USB-C device, MacBook Pro, Nintendo Switch, Dell Notebook, Galaxy S8/S9 and more. When using the Answin adapter to charge a device that requires higher wattage, i.e. MacBook 1260W or MacBook 1587W, it will charging at a slower rate and the product may some heat, which is expected, particularly when running high CPU intensive task. Safety. With the highest quality technology, intelligent design offers full protection against overheating, overcurrent voltage and overcharging, for safe and complete charging. Lightweight design. The compact and lightweight design of USB-C to MagSafe adapter is easy for you to take in your bag and easier to leave charger cable in different places you use instead of unplugging and plugging in wherever you go. It also perfects for traveling, enterprise, school teaching.